Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use parental control in Twitch. In order to use parental control in Twitch, you need to follow these steps. Now Twitch lacks traditional parental control, so parents should set up a security and privacy setting, enabling content filter and use the mature content toggle to control access to an age inappropriate stream. Now you could enable content filter, that is mature content filters. So basically you need to log into your Twitch account over here. So next you want to click on the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the gear from the top left corner of your screen. After which you want to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Here you could go ahead and customize these settings, as there is no such way you could use a parental control in Twitch. So indirectly you could go ahead and manage some of the settings on the speech. You could go ahead and restrict some of the content. You could go to settings as well, or system preferences, and this way you should be able to use an alternative for parental control in Twitch. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.